Why do I always back into parking spaces? That's easy. Let me tell you why. From here, it's a giant phallic symbol. Hear me roar. When you're backed in, you can show the girls why they want to back up because they see how massive your engine is. All right. Plus, when I'm backing in, I don't gotta worry about scraping Precious here. I love you, baby. I would never do anything to harm you. I prefer to park lengthwise, but Johnny Law, he don't like that none. Most important reason why do I back in, this car costs more than my house. It's important that people know I'm special. You don't think I'm special? Just ask me, I'll tell you. My mama told me I was special. You're gonna need some tire shine and applicators because you always want them tires looking good. Best part of backing in is all that exhaust ricochets off the wall. Lets everybody know who's the boss. Oh, baby. That even got Daddy a little excited. Woo! Zip ties, these are a must because you're gonna be bumping into some folks who need to put their bumpers back on. They don't notice any type of damage. So much easier to get out. Take a look at this. And this right here is a must. When you ding up somebody's paint, I noticed the black plasti dip goes a long ways in disguising what you've done. Oh wait, I hit that guy earlier. We gotta go. Best part about backing in, late at night when you get that Sauvage Dior de unburned gasoline fumes running through the house, your wife gets to smell it all night long on you.
Oh my God, what is that smell?
It's my new cologne, baby. Sauvage de 93 octane.